I just found a strategy that is making people hundreds of dollars every week using nothing but Pinterest and a free Amazon account. And what's crazy is almost no one is talking about it yet. But don't worry, in this video, I'm not gatekeeping. I'm going to show you exactly how you can do the same, step by step, without showing your face, without creating your own content, without spending a single dollar, and without prior experience. But so that we are clear, this is not one of those click, add, get rich overnight scam. This is a legit business model that works in 2025, and you can literally start from today from your phone or laptop. So stick with me until the end because I'll share one bonus tip that can multiply your clicks by 3 instantly, and almost nobody knows about it. So let's get into it. The first step is to become an Amazon associate. This is the official Amazon affiliate program. So you'll just head to the affiliate program amazon.com. Once there, you just click sign up and you're in. You already have an Amazon account, just log in. If not, it only takes about 2 minutes to create one. And yes, it's totally free. Once you're inside, Amazon will ask a few basic details about yourself, like your website or social media handle. Don't stress if you don't have a website yet. You can simply write pinterest.com/your username as your platform. That's where you'll be sharing your affiliate links. After that, hit submit and boom, you are officially part of the Amazon Associate Program. So let me tell you how it works. Every time someone clicks your special affiliate links and buys something, you earn a commission. And it doesn't even have to be the exact product you linked. If they buy anything within 24 hours of clicking your link, you still get paid. And this is where things get even more interesting because this is not about selling, it's about recommending. And Pinterest is the perfect place for that. People go there ready to shop. Pinterest users are not just scrolling for fun. They are actively searching for ideas, inspiration, and products they plan to purchase. They also have a high purchase intent compared to other platforms. Let me give you an example. So there's this girl on Pinterest who posts nothing but Amazon kitchen gadgets. One of her pins got over 300 views in a single week. Imagine if just 1% of those people clicked her link. That's hundreds of dollars passively from one video. That's why affiliate marketers love Pinterest. So let's go to step number 2. Before we start posting, you need a niche, a specific category or theme that your pins will focus on. You want something visually appealing, products people love to browse through and discover. Some of the best performing niches on Pinterest right now include home decor and organization, kitchen gadgets, fitness gear, workout equipment, tech accessories, DIY and craft supplies, beauty products, and fashion. For example, let's say you pick home office ideas. That's a big trend right now, especially with so many people working remotely. Every single pin about best home office setup can feature Amazon products like desks, chairs, LED lamps, monitors, and even aesthetic organizers. When people click, they shop and you get paid. The key here is choosing something you're genuinely interested in or at least curious about. If you enjoy the niche, it will be easier to stay consistent and come up with creative pin ideas. So take a few minutes, look through Pinterest and see what's trending. Once you find your niche, stick with it because in the next step, I'll show you how to turn that niche into a brand people can actually follow. Number 3 is to head to pinterest.com and create your account if you don't have one already. When it comes to choosing your page name, think strategically. You want a name that tells people clearly what your page is about. For example, if your niche is kitchen tools, a name like Viral Kitchen Gadgets or Amazon Kitchen Finds works perfectly. If it's about fitness, you could go with a name like Gym Must Have or Amazon Fitness Finds. Don't overthink it, just make it niche specific and easy to remember. And if you're not sure what name to give it, you can literally ask ChatGPT for ideas. It can generate 10 catchy names for you in a second. And here's the fun part, you don't even need to create your own content or videos to fill your page. I'll show you how to find viral content that already works. Step number 4 is getting content without making your own. This is where this strategy gets exciting. You don't have to create content yourself. Instead, you'll be leveraging existing viral videos that have already proven to perform. Let's say your niche is kitchen gadgets. Just go to Instagram or TikTok and search for kitchen gadgets. Look for videos that have already gotten over 100,000 views. The higher, the better. The idea is to find content that have already gone viral, because that gives you a much better chance to go viral again on Pinterest. Once you find these viral videos, I want you to download them, but now without the watermark. You know that TikTok or Instagram logo? We don't want that. So if you found these videos on TikTok, use a tool like Snaptic to download without the watermark. And for Instagram videos, you can use Instagram Downloader. Save a few of those videos. These will be your pins. Now, before you post, make sure you are not reposting someone's original video exactly as it is. Add your own touch to it. Crop it slightly, add text overlays, or combine multiple clips. This keeps your content fresh and unique. And that's what we need for your pin to go viral on Pinterest. Number 5 is posting your pins and getting traffic. So head to pinterest.com and click create pin. Upload your video and give it an attention-grabbing title like 10 Amazon finds that make your desk look amazing, or something like genuine kitchen tools you wish you bought sooner. Then write a short keyword-rich description. For example, something like looking for aesthetic home office ideas. Here are 10 Amazon must-haves to organize your workspace and make it look amazing. Try to include Pinterest keywords like home office ideas, Amazon finds, workspace organization, deco hacks, etc. Paste your affiliate link or your Linktree link that leads to your affiliate's product in the destination URL box and hit publish. Pinterest is basically a search engine for visuals. So the more optimized your titles and descriptions are, the more likely your pin will show up in search. So try posting 3 to 5 pins per day at first. You can even use a free tool like Pinterest Creator Studio to schedule your post automatically. And remember, sometimes it only takes one viral pin to explode your traffic. A single pin can get thousands of views and clicks every week, all passively. But to make that happen faster, you need to organize your page correctly. And that's what we'll be doing next. Step number 6 is boosting your results with boards and SEO. So let's talk strategy. I want you to organize your content into boards. If your niche is home decor, boards like cozy living room ideas, Amazon home finds, or something like apartment hacks. If your niche is fitness, your board could be something like Amazon fitness essentials, home workout equipment, or healthy lifestyle. Each board should have a keyword-rich title and description. This helps Pinterest algorithm understand what your content is about and show your pin to the right people. So don't forget to optimize your profile bio with keywords like Amazon finds, Pinterest affiliate marketing, or viral product ideas. Number 7 is scaling up to passive income. Once you start seeing those clicks and small commissions, congratulations, it means it's working. Now it's time to scale. Double down on what's performing best. If you notice that kitchen gadgets are getting more engagement than tech accessories, focus on that niche. Create more pins in that same category. Use ChatGPT to come up with new pin title ideas like 10 genius kitchen tools you didn't know you needed, or these Amazon finds will change your cooking game. You can design your pins in Canva using free templates. Add your title text, your video clip, and keep it consistent. The more pins you post, the more data Pinterest gets, and the easier it becomes to identify what's driving traffic and sales. Consistency is the key. Post daily, stay patient, and in a few weeks, you'll start seeing those small commissions turn into passive income. And there you have it, a complete beginner-friendly guide to making money with Amazon affiliate marketing using Pinterest. No website, no ads, no tech skill, just smart strategy and consistency. If you got value from this video, hit that like button, subscribe for more ways to make passive income online, and comment pin money down below so I know who is serious about starting. And if you want to learn more on how to make money using AI tools, check out this video right here. I'll show you exactly how you can turn AI into your next side hustle.